Morning everyone, hope everybody's okay. Shit weather again. That works that time of the year now, isn't it? So got a few bits turned up. Obviously this was part of my service kit, so I'm going to get this done. Got a few things to do today, mainly bulbs and stuff like that. So yeah, going to crack on with that. Let's get on with it. Right, to get in to do this belt, we've got to take all this off, but I've already loosened it, so we just pull this away. Take that out of the way. But that's always safe on the roof. I do want to. Got to undo these bolts all the way around. Get this cover off. There's my little amp and base there. Fits well behind the seat in there. I bought that off AliExpress. Honestly, it's quite good really for the money. It's been doing well. Anyway, on with this job. Let's get these bolts undone. Little 10 mils all the way around. The old cold's coming in now, isn't it? The old cold spell. Going out to work most mornings, it's like been -3. Yeah, bloody cold. Soon warm up when I get to work though. Had a fucking nightmare at work this week. I told you guys I'd do the old cleaning and that. Do the old stairwells and stuff in residential buildings. Honestly, some of the shit we've dealt with this week is unreal. How people live is beyond me, like how filthy they live. Treat things like shit, man. Fucking shock you lot if I took videos of what I do at work, I tell ya. Crap. We have to deal with is unreal. No, we take pride in our job and what we do and when we're cleaning, and we don't just flick like most companies, But seriously, it's been an absolute fucking nightmare. I was glad to see Friday. Working around the Slough area and stuff like that, Edgware, Slough, all them sort of areas, honestly. So I don't know about all this fucking integration shit they're on about. Oh, fuck me. Now, the British are normally quite proud people. There's a lot of mixed cultures and... Yeah, I know I'm fucking harping on, but it does piss me off when I see how people treat things. One block we went to do a clean, there's new tenants moved in, and yeah, you just couldn't fucking clean, you couldn't do anything. There's fucking shoes and fucking everything everywhere. You couldn't even get near the place. They got the clothes up, like drying out on the landing. People got to walk past that because other people live in there, Fucking unbelievable. I've got one more down here. Unbelievable. Right. As long as I've got them all, they should be coming off. And there she is. There she is. Dirty, dusty. Looking engine. Tell you what, a fucking belt don't look too bad, I reckon that's fucking been replaced. Oh, that belt's been replaced, you know. There's no fucking cracking at all in that belt. I've had the car 4 years and I've never touched it. The only thing I have done is the water pump down there, but yeah, I'd say that looks alright, that fucker. I don't want to put a fucking brand new belt on it, it's got a good belt on it. So I might leave that, you know. I'm not going to fucking put a brand new belt in on something that's got a fucking good belt in it. Seems kind of stupid to do that. Just wasting money, I might as well keep the belt. I don't know. Fucking. What to do? Give me a minute. Give me a sec. So I'll get in there properly. Give me 1 sec, guys. Yeah, I'm going to change it because you guys can't see, but basically down here I can feel there's a little bit of what feels like a cracking going on the outside of the belt. So yeah, sod it, we got the new one. She's here. Let's get her changed, I think. Yeah, with the winter being here now as well, you know, these things starting up from cold. Although it looks fine on this side, when you feel around it you can feel little sort of stress cracks on the outer casing. So fuck it, we'll just change it. So yeah, right, 1 second. Got the socket ready. Oh. There we go. That's that. We go in over the top of that. Over the top of there, around that. Over that, down there, around there, under that, over that. Okay, cool. Right. I don't know if you lot fucking see that. I don't know where you're at. Somewhere about there, yeah. Right. The fucker twisted. Under there. Over there. Put it down there. See, let's get that bottom bit in first down there. You guys can't see down there, but it's a bit tricky. Over there. What the fuck? I think they've sent me the wrong fucking belt. Oh, you're having a fucking laughing, yeah? They've sent me the wrong fucking belt. I'm sure they have. Oh, fucking want to have all this slack else. Oh, fuck's sake. Really? Oh, fucking numpties, man. Oh, I'm gonna have to measure this belt against that belt now. Fuck's sake. Give me 1 sec, guys. Just gonna measure these two belts. Yep, fucking wrong belt. It's about 6 inches fucking longer. Yeah, honestly, these people. It's from France, what you expect, but all right. I'll put the old one back on for now. I'll have to get onto them and get it changed. Fucking idiots, aren't they? You think you're doing your jobs on a Saturday or Sunday or whatever at a weekend, and you're fucking not now. Honestly. Anyway, I'll let me get this old belt back on. That's the belt back on. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Bloody. It's a problem when you're ordering parts, isn't it? And send the wrong things. But anyway, I'll put that back on for now. Easy enough little job to do. Just get your 24 on that. Oh, fucking hell. Sorry, I'm just annoyed. On that tensioner there. Just get your 24 on this tensioner here. Goes though you're going to tighten it. That loosens the belt off anyway. That's pretty much what you do. Right, okay. We can't get that done today, so all right. Fuck's sake. All right then. We'll get on with the next job then.